Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites, level, quest completion, and materials. Once done, head straight to the northern outpost and approach the Tether Forge. This is where creation begins. Make sure to equip a smithing kit and enable magic affinity. These reduce failure chance. You insert 3 dragon scales, 5 iron bars, and the enchanter's rune into the forge slot, then engage the forging ritual. You must monitor temperature and keep it steady. If it spikes, pause and cool with a water flask. You now execute the core crafting sequence. First, stabilize the forge at 1200 degrees for 45 seconds by adjusting fuel levers. This temp bonds scale keratin to iron. Once stable, channel the enchanter's rune. Keep your focus meter above 60% by matching the rune pulse with button taps. Next, perform 3 timed hammer strikes, slow for shaping, medium for alignment, and fast for sealing. If your timing is off, rehearse the sequence once before restarting to save materials. You finish by cooling the tether slowly over 3 minutes so micro-fractures don't form. Control the vent to lower heat 1 stage every minute. Then attach the clasp and perform a 200-pound hold test to confirm tensile strength, after which you perform attunement. Press the clasp to a dragon's chest until resonance peaks. If binding fails, do not panic. Reforge with an additional enchanter's rune and drop peak temperature by 5%. This typically corrects binding instability without wasting all materials.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.